Giggle Garden Kids. Did you know? Not all snakes are scary. Some are colorful, some can glide, and some even swim in the sea. Today we are going to learn the names of some amazing snakes. Are you ready? King Cobra, Corn Snake, Black Mamba, Milk Snake, Python, Green Tree Python, Boa Constrictor, Rustle Viper, Anaconda, Rattlesnake, Viper, Yellow Red Snake, Ornate Flying Snake, Saw-Scaled Viper, Red Snake, Vine Snake, King Snake, Rock Python. Wow, you did amazing today. See you soon with more fun and learning at Giggle Garden Kids. Bye bye.